This is Grinder, my Hero Factory that I made. But this is him. Not much to it. Well, actually, there is much to it. He has a big jaw, big scrapping hand, a big whatever kind of hand you'd call this, with heads for thumbs. Stinger on his tail. He's big. Well, folks, that's all, folks. Don't really go back, folks.